you okay?
Okay.
What's wrong, Logan? Are you...
Wrong?
Hey, look at Mama. Hey, are you okay? Hey, you hungry?
Hungry?
What do you want to eat?
Wanna eat?
What?
What's wrong?
Hey, what do you want to eat?
Eat. Eat happy best.
You want happies? How many you want? How many happies you want? How many? How many? How many happies? You want one happy?
One happy?
Just one?
It's one?
Or you want more?
One more? Two?
Two?
Okay, so
Two happies. Okay.
happy.
Just two happies?
Two happy?
Don't you want more than two? Huh? Logan. Logan. You want more than two?
More two?
Three happies?
Three happies?
How about four happies?
Four happies?
How about one?
One? No!
You want five happies?
Five happies?
Or six?
Six?
Six. Okay. Six or five?
Six and five?
Six?
Six and five?
Five
Six?
or five?
Six?
Six. Okay, let's make six happies. Are you gonna help me? You gonna help Mama? Yeah, that's six. That's right. That is six happies.
Correct.
Come on, let's make them. Let's go make them. Let's go make the happies. Okay, let's get them in the freezer. Open the freezer. No, this one. Good. Get the happies. Can you see the happies? All right. Thank you. Hey, close the door. Whoa. You fell down. Close the door. Whoa. Get up. Get up and close the door. Thank you. Okay, let's make six happies. Come on. Can you make six happies? Come on. Can you put six happies in here? Come on. Here. Make six happies. Take six. One, two, count them. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Six happies. You want more than six?
More 6.
Okay. How many? How many you have now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Seven happies. Okay, let's put them in the oven. Pick it up with both hands. Both hands.
Cold.
Yeah, you want them hot? Push. Good job. Hey, say Mama, make it hot.
Look at the hot.
Okay.